at Mama Margie's right now, eating. Look at my grandma struggling. She hates the camera. Why'd you turn around? Why'd you turn around?
Because I know you wanted to do something.
To record? That's my grandma. So today we're gonna go to IKEA and we're gonna go pick up some items. We'll have the whole family with us. I have my videographer, my mom, and my grandma to help me decide on what I want because I'm getting a new apartment. So stay tuned. You hate for me to record? I love that I record so I can catch your every moment that you do.
Because they told us here. She kills me. She really does. When do you turn 16?
Next year. Everybody's talking around me when I'm shooting the shot. So we're finished eating. So we're gonna go to IKEA right now. Bye, bitch. Too much?
Too much.
Too much. She's going to the rent.
What can make me feel this way, my girl?
Alright, we're here at IKEA. I already lost my grandma. Don't know where she's at. We're gonna go in and look for stuff for my new apartment. Alright, we are trying to look for my grandma. We have stuff to return. There's some stuff to return right here. But we lost my grandma already, so that's that. Okay, so I still have stuff to return. And now I'm waiting here, like at the DMV. And I got a little number. Oh, here's my little number. So I have to wait until my number comes up and then I can return. So I think I'm like 6 people away from returning. So then we can start the video after that. I'm literally having a panic attack because I lost my grandma and I have no clue where she is in IKEA and she's never been here before. So now I have to go find her and I keep calling her phone and she's not answering and I found her. Here she is. Here she is, like a lost little kid. We're over there on the other side. Did you get away from me? You lost. I lost you. I was gonna tell them to page.
You better not.
I was gonna tell them to page you.
Don't page it.
I was gonna say, oh, I can't find you. We had to return some stuff.
Oh, you bought some stuff up here? Just for a show.
Girl, come here. These are for my followers so they can see us. It's like they're with us enjoying the day. Mom, I like this one. Ooh, Grandma, look at this one. Is it sturdy enough? You like these? $2.98. They're sturdy enough?
Yep.
I like them. It's like a blanket. Come cooking with us. This cute little kitchen. Let me show you the kitchen. Let me turn it around. So cute. This whole room is so cute. Look at this room. It has little pink like plates. In our living room. We stand. We love her. Look at this big pull-out couch. Yeah, $2,231. Someone get their daughter It's so cute how they have all this stuff. Grandma, what do you think about this?
Why don't you do that to your mother?
My grandma's getting mad at me. It's showing Grandma. This mare's so cute. My grandma looks so overwhelmed. Check her out.
But this would be
Skinny legend. These are very comfortable. They're too expensive. Look at my grandma. She hates pain and I love it. Like these, look at the one in behind her. That one looks nice.
No, it's not the same. Come on.
It's not.
1, 2, 3. Yo te voy a pegar, mija. I'm telling you. If you don't understand, you better ask her what it is. You better ask her.
Grandma, you're so mean.
No, tell her.
What are we gonna tell her? She's such a mean lady.
I don't like it.
I do it.
Are you enjoying it?
Oh, yeah.
Do you like this? It's not the price. It's 1, 2, 3.
This is
Look
good.
at the ones right there. Oh, that one goes up and it's $2.49.
No.
What are you
Don't
looking
say that.
for?
Don't
How
say
cheaper?
that. I don't want cheap. I want quality.
She doesn't want cheap. She wants quality.
what are we looking for?
Oh, this one's nice. Does it go up?
I like that, Tony.
I don't think this one goes
Where's
up.
your mother? She's got my purse.
She already stole everything from your bank account. Oh look, it's a recliner frame, and it has a cushion, non-woven. Sit right here.
That's what you call good ass right there. Good.
You don't like it. I don't know how it comes out.
It's going down little by little. I feel it on my head. See, I told you.
No? Like this one? You gotta push down.
Wait, she has her. Look, electricity. That piece that you get electricity.
Uh-huh.
That means it must be at one of those. You know what I'm saying?
I think she's looking for a massage chair now. It's not a massage chair now. Huh. You don't like the walking? No? Alright, so we sat down to take our break and my camera's gonna die like in 5 seconds, but we're halfway through. We didn't find anything yet, but we will find something, right guys? They hate me.
What's wrong?
She wants to see if they have meatballs.
They're stars. Fashion. So you don't like this sofa?
No.
So what about that one? Over there. No?
Are you trying to be a movie star? What are you trying to do? Just tell me so I can laugh. What are you trying to do, Cody?
I'm trying to become famous. Alright, so we're barely in the second half of IKEA. My phone's on 3%. My phone's on 3% and my camera's dead, so I'm gonna save my percentage to the end so you guys can see what I bought. Did you get too relaxed?
I swear to God, do it again. Okay, where is the girl? Where's the girl? Where is she?
I think we're done for the day. This is
Where's the girl?
we're gonna go ahead and just go. We can't do it. She's already tired. Are you tired?
No, Coley, are you tired? What have you done today, Coley?
Spend time with my grandmother. The best quality time that I could. Time to go eat dinner and get more margaritas. Let's go. Let's go. Go get my stuff. We got this. We got this.
And she said
We got this. Everything's on discount. We got this. I got a dresser. We got this.
The opposite side will rest on the inside of this side.
All right, we did it. We're done. 50% off. We are done. It's time to go. We got all this stuff, and I'll show you more. This. I got this mirror. Check out this mirror. How cool this mirror is. And it lights up. It lights up. It was only $69.99. What a steal. And then I got this desk. $90. It usually retails for like $200. And I got the bed frames and all that other stuff. Did we do good, Grandma?
yes, I think so. We say telling them like this. We don't have a barbecue. We don't have a barbecue.
My grandma's justifying why she bought a barbecue pit, but
I don't care.
we got it for a deal, so we got everything. We didn't get everything. I still have to get some more stuff like a sofa and all that other stuff, so rugs and all that, but yeah. But I don't know, because we got everything at a discount. We got everything at 50% off, right, Grandma? We got everything at 50% off, so I think that was okay. Thank you for watching. My grandma's yelling at my cousin, but thank you for watching this video. Subscribe down below, hit that like button, and comment what you guys want to see. Apartment tour coming real soon, after maybe second video of us trying to go find stuff. Say bye, Grandma.
Bye-bye.
Tell them bye. We're gonna go eat again and have another margarita. All right, bye guys. Bye.